Coming Thursday, May 8th on GuysWithRides.bid is this 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu. Your typical Malibu that you might find in dealers in 1968, 307. The car has been since upgraded, but I want to point out a really rare option on this. This is known as the Vigilite option. So this car, in addition to this rare, if you're not familiar with this, these were the fiber optics offered beginning in 67 and then continued on this car 68 and 69. And those are factory original, in addition to the AM/FM radio and disc brakes. Manual disc brakes, but disc brakes nonetheless. So just their typical Chevelle Malibu in 1968. If you're not familiar with them, this was the last year. This was the first year of the second generation body style. The last year for vent windows. It has a nice vinyl top. It has been repainted at some point. This is the perfect car to enjoy as is. It has a this has a 4-bolt main 350. I'll take more pictures of that. So the 307 is gone, and it's been replaced with a 4-bolt main 350 that's pretty stout, backed by a TurboHydramatic 350 transmission. Very solid car, as you'll see in the details. This is the perfect candidate to either enjoy it as is, or perhaps do a full-on street machine build and do an SS clone. Maybe even an LS build if you're so inclined. Okay?
This battery I put in here, that's just an old car top fucking battery. That was just to get it going.
Yeah. All right. So I can say we'll have a bunch of batteries.